Hello everyone. In this video we would like to share the final work that we finished in the Nissan Micra 2011, and this is the Nissan Micra 2011 and 2014 generation model. It was from the standard factory radio, and that you could see another video that we show how to remove the factory head unit from this model. And now it is fully fit with the new 7-inch touchscreen and full feature package, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and including the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. So on the screen, as usual, it is our wireless Apple CarPlay is running, and it's fast, it's easy, and it is convenient to use. That's very simple, and all of the steering wheel buttons here working very well into the new system. So you can see that we turn this, press this, and that one's working well. So that's all working. And also from the system here, we actually provide the model that has the built-in amplifier inside the head unit, so it actually bring up the sound system from this car, even from the standard sound, into a very high level of sound. That's the very best that we actually did. Talking about the reverse camera, we actually fit it at the rear bumper, and we can have a look at how and where it was mounted. This beautiful color. So here we go. Just have a look here. It was fit next to the number plate line and adjustable over there, and we like this green color. What car has this? Okay, so come back here. We try to put the reverse. It come into reverse instantly, and you see how clear it is. It is super clear and very detailed, because simply it is full HD level, and instantly it moved back to where it was before. And again, reverse camera, and you see it comes up, and reverse camera moving. Okay, so that's how we fit the 7-inch system full package into the Micra ST 2011 model. If you have the same car, it will be something similar like this, or if you have other cars, simply give us a call or a message. We would be able to provide you with the best thing. And if you want to see other video relating to this car, just look into our YouTube channel. We have instruction how to remove, and also we share the instruction how to install the system into this car model. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.